Hello, Facebook and YouTube fans. I am David Smith, past president of LeTip of Dallas, bringing to you our speaker and showboater for this week, January 6, 2021. Before we get to our presenters this week, I want to share with you what LeTip is all about.
LeTip was founded in 1978 by Ken Peterson. He understood the powerful role that personal referrals play in the success of a small business. Today, LeTip has hundreds of chapters throughout the USA and Canada. LeTip of Dallas was chartered in 2002 and is the largest and oldest LeTip chapter in the state of Texas.
I personally have been a member of LeTip of Dallas since 2003, and that shows you how a vibrant and active networking group can be an important part of your business marketing program. In fact, many members use LeTip as their sole source of business referral. One of the things that sets us apart from other networking groups is our creed.
LeTip is an organization of men and women dedicated to the highest standards of competence and service. Our purpose is the exchange of business tips. Members will at all times maintain the highest professional integrity. Each business category is represented by one member, and all conflicts of interest are disallowed.
Powerful words for a powerful marketing organization.
For this week's program, I would like to introduce to you our showboater, Ron Edwards of Big Feet Creations, and Brandon Cronkite of Millionaire Cooling and Heating. As a showboater, Ron, who is our printer, will have a visual presentation of his business. When you have a piece of paper that has nothing on it, or a small piece of cardstock that is empty, Ron is able to fill those media with outstanding graphics and text in such a way as to make your material stand out from the others. Even in a digital world, the printed word is a way to differentiate yourself from the competition. And yes, anything that Ron can print can be used in a digital format. I have personally used his services and have referred him to many others. Ron has been a member of LeTip of Dallas since 2015. Our presenter, Brandon Cronkite, is our cooling and heating expert. In Texas, both cooling and heating are words you will hear often, and Millionaire Cooling and Heating is helping thousands of people annually with their weather-related needs. Brandon and his crew will come inspect your system, determine the best method of repair, and implement the repair quickly and professionally. I have personally referred Brandon and will continue to do so because he knows how to treat his clients both professionally and ethically. Brandon is one of our newest members, and he joined LeTip of Dallas in 2020.
Thank you for taking time to view this short presentation, and we hope to see you in our Zoom meeting this Wednesday. Just send us a direct message, and we will provide you a link so you can join us at 11:30 a.m. this Wednesday. Thanks, and have a great day.